The SURGIFLO Hemostatic Matrix Kit with Thrombin consists of two components: lyophilized human thrombin and the flowable gelatin matrix. The flowable gelatin matrix components are a sterile syringe with a blue plunger containing the flowable gelatin matrix, a sterile empty mixing syringe, a sterile liquid transfer cup, two sterile applicator tips, one flexible in all directions and one that can be trimmed to length. The sterile thrombin components are a thrombin vial containing 2,000 international units of sterile lyophilized human thrombin, a needle-free syringe containing 2 milliliters of sterile water for injection, a sterile vial adapter. Step 1. Prepare the thrombin. Peel back the Tyvek lid and remove the vial adapter, needle-free syringe, and the thrombin vial. You are now ready to attach the vial adapter to the thrombin vial. In order to spike the thrombin properly, peel off the lid, flip off the cap, align the spike, and press the adapter straight down with 4 fingers.
Peel off the lid from the vial adapter package. Flip off the cap from the thrombin vial and place the vial on a flat surface. In the next step, align the spike in the vial adapter to the center of the thrombin vial. Proper alignment is key to successfully spiking the vial.
It is important to carefully perform the following steps to ensure that the spike of the vial adapter is centered and fully penetrates the rubber stopper in the appropriate target zone as shown.
Align the vial adapter to the thrombin vial. On a flat surface, seat the vial adapter on the thrombin vial by pushing down using the thumb and forefinger of both hands until the spike penetrates the rubber stopper and the vial adapter snaps into place.
Remove the vial adapter package.
Improper technique may prevent the spike from passing easily through the rubber stopper.
To finish preparing the thrombin, snap off the tamper cap on the needle-free syringe. Connect and screw on to the vial adapter.
Transfer the entire contents of the syringe into the thrombin vial.
Reconstituting the thrombin takes only 13 seconds for SURGIFLO versus 136 seconds for FlowSeal.
Gently swirl until the thrombin solution is clear. The thrombin dissolves instantly with very few bubbles. Draw up the thrombin solution into the needle-free syringe. Disconnect the syringe from the vial adapter and set it aside. Step 2. Prepare the flowable gelatin matrix. Open the sterile packet and remove the liquid transfer cup, the empty syringe, blue syringe with gelatin matrix, and the 2 applicator tips. Because the correct amount of thrombin has been reconstituted for use, simply transfer the thrombin solution into the sterile liquid transfer cup.
If the thrombin solution was prepared outside of the sterile field, the circulating nurse will transfer the thrombin solution into the sterile liquid transfer cup using aseptic technique. As you'll see, SURGIFLO is ready to use in 30 seconds or less once liquid thrombin is delivered to the sterile field.
Draw all of the solution into the empty sterile syringe. Remove any excess air from the syringe. Remove the blue end cap from the pre-filled syringe labeled SURGIFLO. Connect the syringes and mix the contents. Transfer the thrombin solution into the pre-filled syringe containing the flowable gelatin matrix.
Quickly push the combined material 6 times, or 3 times back and forth.
Remove the mixing syringe. Attach the appropriate applicator tip.
The bendable blue tip provides precise placement in difficult areas. The straight white tip can be trimmed to desired length.
The SURGIFLO endoscopic applicator is sold separately and is useful for minimally invasive procedures including gynecology, urology, and general surgery. SURGIFLO Matrix retains consistency throughout the length of the syringe and over 8 hours working time.